Hey everyone, it's Tammy and I am so excited. I have another package from the Poppy Willow Company. Oh, I get so excited when I see that it's a package from them. I love Poppy Willow Company and I am a PR gal for them. And you can find my discount code below. It'll get you 15% and a free sheet. So check her out. Her kits are marvelous. And if you haven't seen them before, you are in for a treat. A total treat. She packs them very nicely. They come all the way from the UK. Look how cute this is. Her little sticker that says Poppy Willow Company, and even that is foiled. All right, so let's see what we have here. She has new business cards. These are so nice. Oh my gosh, it feels amazing. And it's a loyalty card. Complete your card to receive a free set of your choice. More details are available at www.etsy.com/uk/shop/Poppy Willow Company or WillowCo. And again, her link will be below. Oh my gosh. These are so pretty and they feel amazing. All right. So this is the code TT.Scraps 15. And this is the free sheet that you will get just for using that code. So you'll get 15% off and this sheet. Oh my gosh. Whoo, I'm so excited. So this set, it looks like it is called Midnight. And there's these lovely silver foiled stickers. These are the date stickers. And look at this. It's like Cinderella at midnight on Halloween. The bats, the pumpkin. Oh my gosh. These are so pretty. And I keep moving it so that you guys can hopefully pick up on the beautiful silver foiling. These are the washi sheets. Oh my gosh. And often I will use these washi as a whole sticker because they're so pretty. I don't want to separate them. This is gorgeous. I am not even kidding. And her sets include so many stickers. So there's 1, 2, 3 pages. These are the half boxes and the quarter boxes. 4 pages these are all the day of the week stickers, all the functional stickers and the flags. It's just gorgeous. They're all foiled. That was 4 pages. I'm losing track because I'm so excited. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages. And it has, this is all the little headers. 6 pages. Holy moly, I'm not even done. This is the weekend sticker, bill due, planner sticker. All of these are lovely and they're all in foil and they tell you all the different things that so you don't even need extra stickers really. You don't need like functionals. This has everything written out here. And then she has functionals that you've already seen. It's just amazing. And all these little extras down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness, I have lost count totally. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The check boxes. 7 pages of stickers, guys, in her kits. It's insane. It's wonderfully insane. Look at these. These are thankful bows. So pretty. This is the thankful pumpkin patch. Oh my gosh. This says weekend, gratitude, beautiful, today, notes, blessed, thankful. And look how pretty these girls are. And there's foiling on all of it. And then these are the Pumpkin Patch Deluxe Day Covers. Those are beautiful. Beautiful. I love these colors. And here are the dates. And this is thankful, full boxes. Oh my gosh, I love this car. A grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. Blessed. Look at the turkey. Eee! So cute. Oh, the washi. Oh, it's so pretty. I am going crazy. I am just so excited. I love these colors. I love the pastels with the darkers. Like I don't know. It's a beautiful combination. I love this truck too. This pie and this thankful. Oh, it's so cute. And here are the day of the week stickers, all of the functionals, the little flags with the little truck. Oh my gosh. Oh, I want to just use these right now. The headers. Wow. And then here are the thankful like weekend stickers and all these functionals. Oh, I am a lucky girl. I am very thankful and blessed. And then here is the check boxes. And there's the little car again. And the turkey. No, 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 no. Eee! I'm squealing. Okay, there's date stickers. Look at these, look at these, look at these. Look at this hedgehog. Oh, I cannot even tell you how cute that is. This is called Friendly Forest. Oh my goodness. Guys, I am not kidding. These little faces on these guys are so sweet. They are absolutely adorable. I am loving them. I really just want to eat this hedgehog. He is so cute. Oh my gosh. It looks like it's like a painting and right in front of you. Oh my gosh. The little polar bear and the deer and the little owl. Oh my gosh. And the raccoon. I love this owl. His little hair. It's almost as cute as the little hedgehog. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. And the butterfly. You know it's a good kit when the butterfly is the ugliest of all of them. And butterflies are gorgeous. So, you have to have this kit. This is called Friendly Forest, guys. If you like critters at all, you are going to love this kit. Oh my gosh. I can hardly breathe. It's so cute. Here's the washi for it. It's just so beautiful. The rose gold or gold, I can't really tell. Foiling. I think it's gold. Foiling is just beautiful. And then here are the half boxes and quarter boxes, and there's a new added bunny and that sweet owl again, and the beautiful flowers and all these fall colors. Here are the day of the week stickers that are absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh. This is like one of my favorite kits of all time. That hedgehog is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Here are the headliners. And here are some functional stickers, and there's another little hedgehog. I love him! And the owl. They put the two cutest ones on there. Oh my gosh. And here are some adorable check boxes with the hedgehog and the polar bear. This is just like the full boxes, only it's all transparent so you can write on top. Oh my gosh. And I'm still not done, guys. She is so generous. And she is so generous with her kits too. You guys will love these, I promise. This one's called Boo, and it has the date stickers. And look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at their eyelashes. I am dying. Even the pumpkin, the jack-o'-lantern, has eyelashes. The jack-o'-lantern. Oh my goodness. So cute. And you guys know I do not like spiders. This spider is adorable. I do not like spiders at all. They scare the bejesus out of me. But that is so cute. And this is just beautiful. It's got the silver foil. So stinking cute. I'm out of words. I don't know what to say. These are just, there's not one better than the other except for the hedgehog. That one's the best. But the rest of them are just amazing. The day of the week stickers. Oh my gosh. All the beautiful functionals. The headers. all of these functionals that are just gorgeous. So, so pretty. Look at this bat, guys, with its little eyelashes. Can you see that? And the bow and the hat. I mean, they are all just gorgeous. And then the check boxes. So her kits are just so full and so beautiful. And I really hope that you guys will check her shop out. If you haven't shopped with her already, I would say you need to. She is one of the better shops ever. And her foiling is second to none. I mean, it is gorgeous. I love shops. I love variety. I love all of it. But I can tell you that I would not be a PR person for somebody that I could not stand behind. And I absolutely 100% stand behind her shop and her quality. And I just absolutely love them. I mean, it does not get any cuter than this. It really, seriously does not. So run, don't walk. Order yourself some Forest Friends and whatever other kits you would like, because you will not be disappointed. But goodness, she gave me such a beautiful variety for this fall. So I have that one for Halloween, this one for whenever. I mean, this one is, oh, my favorite, as I've told you. I have a thankful kit that I can use at Thanksgiving because it is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And then she gave me some extras. The Pumpkin Patch Deluxe day covers, the Thankful Pumpkin Patch, the Thankful Bows. I mean, these are just, oh, amazing. And then she gave me Midnight, which is an amazing kit in itself. I mean, all of these are kits that I would totally pick out and purchase, and she just knows me so well. So thank you so much. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate it. I am so grateful. Her stuff is so nice. So nice. It's just beautiful. Beautiful. So you gotta check them out. I'm trying not to cover up the name, but I want you guys to see the stickers too. And you gotta see that hedgehog. You gotta see that hedgehog. And this is Friendly Forest. And this is what you'll get free if you use my TT.Scraps. You'll get 15% off and this free sheet. So please shop. Tell her that I sent you. Show her some love. And order yourself some kits because you will not be disappointed. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.